All right, guys, we have the next hard request on the list, like number 45 or something. It's Rhapsody in Blue by George Gershwin. Very popular piece. And we're going to listen to the beginning of it here. Clarinet solo. And then the next part. And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. These lessons are going to be on seancheek.com, not webpianoteacher.com. A lot of you are familiar with webpianoteacher.com, the whiteboard with the letters, and I teach kind of popular songs. This is going to be for note reading on seancheek.com because that's where my sight reading bootcamp series is for people who want to learn how to read music. Most people that follow me probably are web piano teacher people, and you do by ear, but I do have people that do both and people that do just the sight reading. So this will be on seancheek.com. And this is not an easy arrangement, but it's not as hard as it could be. It's simplified a little bit, but it's still hard enough to sound really good. So those of you who are intermediate level or around that area should find these lessons really good for you. So it's really going to sound cool, but not going to be too hard to play it for most people. So it's probably right in the sweet spot there as far as difficulty. All right, so let's get started. This will take quite a few lessons. I think there's like 8 pages. So we'll have several lessons for each page. So it'll be a lot of lessons in total. But we'll start out with the clarinet solo on a G, okay? And we're going to trill. That's what the TR is. And I'm assuming that you can read music already. If you can and you're a very beginner and you say, oh, this is too hard, well, of course it is, because you need to get to this level before you can play this level of piece. I have many sight reading lessons starting from the very beginning on seancheek.com with my sight reading bootcamp series that'll take you through, make you a lot better reader, faster, and more productive reader. Then you can get to something like this and play this kind of a piece. But so make sure you've read music before at least. So G to A, and we're going to trill that here. It's got a fermata on it, so maybe like 4 counts. 1, 2. You can start off slow. When you're done, then we'll have this kind of scale going up. Now that sounds really hard. You're going to, oh no, I can't do that. But you can. It's all white keys, so you don't have to do any special fingerings or accounting for the black keys. It's just going to go up. I'm just going to show you the pattern. You go G, A, B, C, D, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, with the left hand. Then we're going to do right hand for 5 notes, E, F, G, A, B. So it's just put your hands right next to each other and the left hand's going to cross over and do 3 notes. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. Then the right hand will finish the last 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all that is, you don't have to count that. It's just going up a scale and kind of fast. You can start off slow. And when you're ready. Okay, so you have to work on that. Once you get to the C at the top, it's 5th finger on the C, okay? And then we go C to B flat, then A flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, A flat. You have a slur and a staccato, so it's called a portato. So kind of in between. It's not a full staccato, but it's definitely not smooth. The left hand's going to go C to G, C, E with 5, 2, 1 or 4, 2, 1. Then you have this chord, F, B, D sharp, 5, 2, 1. All right, and the right hand, you had B flat, A flat, those flats remain, so that's why the other A's and B flats are flatted as well. So it goes 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, da 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 da. Now let's start from the beginning. 1. may be all you do for this week is work on the first line. That's okay. When you're ready, I'm here for you for this next measure. I'm going to keep going right now, though. Not too fast. Because what will happen is you'll get it down, you'll start to try to speed up. But this is maestoso. Okay, so it's a slower, grander tempo. Okay, maestoso, right? So not too fast. Take your time. Right here we have a C like that. Right before the first beat, you're going to continue to hold it while you go B flat to D. And I don't know why they have 1-3 because that's impossible for most people. Let's just do 2-1, and then D flat, your thumb, and then FAC with 4-2-1's good, and then A flat like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The right hand. G, F, E natural, E flat, tie, F, F sharp, G. I'm gonna go. Let's see. 2, 1, 3, 2. The fingering they have is fine. Go slow, so it doesn't matter. So you have. Notice that C is first. Da 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 da. Okay, again. As you're holding that G, count 1 will be E, G, C, 5, 3, 1. And then E on the right hand. And then da 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 da. Very cool. D, C, B natural, B flat. 5, 4, 3, 2. La 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 la. Tie. And then B natural and A flat together. And then a G, G. The left hand's E, G, C. Low A flat. And then G flat and C with 2, 1. And then G natural and F together. Hands together. This is tied. 1. Na, 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 na. Again. And 1. And triple it. 3 and 4 and. Okay, from the very beginning. 1. Slow. We're gonna go slow it down. Da 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 da. 2. Next measure. La 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 la, la la la. Here we go. Okay. Well, there is part 1 with many, many parts to come on SeanCheek.com. We'll go through the whole arrangement here with sheet music, teaching you each measure, one measure at a time. Again, if you're a beginner or just need a refresher, try my sight reading bootcamp series on SeanCheek.com. There are 103 lessons for that, as well as 32 sight reading exercises and other supplements to help your reading whip it into shape and become the sight reader you've always wanted to be. Talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoy the part 1.